Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best bar table set is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home, whether you're looking to create a cozy breakfast nook, a sophisticated entertaining space, or simply maximize your kitchen's functionality. These compact yet impactful pieces offer a perfect blend of form and function, transforming ordinary areas into dynamic social hubs where meals are shared, conversations flow, and memories are made, all within a footprint that often suits smaller apartments or defined dining zones. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Jenga Original Wood Block Game. Dare to risk it? Pull out a block, place it on top, but don't let the tower fall. This wooden block balancing game has been loved for generations. With simple setup and easy-to-learn rules, it offers just the right amount of challenge. It's a great game for impromptu fun with family and friends. Liven up any party with this portable game. It's perfect for family game night, icebreakers, and kids' birthday parties, bringing suspense, surprises, and laughs. This classic game includes 54 precision-crafted wooden blocks. The easy-to-use stacking sleeve helps players build the tower perfectly every time. No friends around? No problem. You can play solo to practice your stacking skills and try not to let it come tumbling down. This classic game makes a great holiday or birthday gift. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up, offering hours of entertainment. What we like? This is the original Jenga game, a classic for a reason. Its simple concept and genuine hardwood blocks offer timeless fun for all ages. If you're looking for a game that's easy to set up, quick to play, and guaranteed to bring laughs and suspense to any gathering, this is it. It's perfect for impromptu parties, family game nights, or even a solo challenge. What people say? The wooden blocks feel solid and smooth, not rough or splintered like cheaper versions I've tried before. The size and weight of the blocks are consistent, which makes the game feel fair and predictable. It's simple, timeless, and somehow always hilarious. Whether it's game night with friends or a rainy day family showdown, this little tower of hardwood blocks brings big energy. The genuine wood feels great in your hands, and the suspense of each pull. The blocks are smooth and it's fun to play. There is no big breaks or unevenness in the blocks. Overall, a very good product. Meets expectations. Number 4. VASAGLE Rustic Brown and Inked Black Bar Table and Chairs Set. This dining set is incredibly versatile, designed to fit seamlessly into any room of your home. It's perfect for cozy meals, enjoying a drink, or even as a compact workspace. Designed with compact living in mind, this set takes up minimal floor space. You can even tuck the chairs neatly under the table to maximize your room. Crafted with high-quality particle board and a robust steel frame, this set is built to last. Adjustable feet and anti-tip pads ensure it remains stable and secure. Enjoy enhanced comfort with integrated footrests on both the table and chairs. They provide a perfect spot to rest your legs and feet while you relax. Setting up this dining set is a breeze. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have it assembled in no time, ready for you to enjoy. What we like? This dining set is designed for intimate meals and cozy moments. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller homes, and the chairs tuck neatly under the table to maximize space. If you have a small kitchen or dining area and are looking for a functional yet stylish set for two, this is a great choice. The added footrests provide extra comfort for relaxed dining. What people say? The table is a perfect height for my small kitchen, and the chairs tuck neatly underneath. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. It feels sturdy and well-made. The modern design fits well with my decor. It's a great space-saving solution. Number 3. Aiho Bar Table and Chair Set. Introducing the Aiho Bar Table and Chair Set, a perfect blend of style and functionality. It's designed to enhance any room with its elegant and modern aesthetic. Crafted from solid elm wood and a sturdy metal frame, this set is built for durability. The water-based paint finish on the tabletop ensures easy cleaning and resistance to daily wear and tear. Experience exceptional stability with its thickened iron frame and X-shaped crossbar. It boasts a 400 pounds loading capacity, ensuring it remains steady and safe for everyday use. This set seamlessly integrates into any home decor. Its versatile design makes it ideal for various settings, from your kitchen to a home bar or even a small office space. Setting up your new bar set is a breeze. With all the necessary instructions and tools included, you can have it assembled and ready to enjoy in just 15 minutes. Perfectly proportioned for smaller areas, this set allows you to create a cozy relaxation spot without occupying too much space. Enjoy your own exclusive area, even in limited environments. What we like. Crafted with solid elm wood and a thickened metal frame, this set offers both durability and a sleek, modern aesthetic. The unique feature of a detachable backrest on the chairs allows for versatile styling and placement. If you appreciate quality materials, a contemporary look, and the flexibility to customize your seating, this pub set is an excellent option for your home bar or small dining space. What people say. The quality is great and the assembly is super simple. This is sturdy and chic. This works wonders and it's very sturdy. I'm a big lady and the chairs hold my weight without issue. The table and chairs were very easy to put together and nice and sturdy. Number 2. Best Choice Products 32 inches bar height folding table, black. Experience superior durability with a tabletop that's 17% thicker than average. It's designed to hold up to 330 pounds, far exceeding the capacity of many other tables. This bar height table is your ideal companion for both indoor and outdoor events. It's perfect for parties, weddings, ceremonies, and any gathering you can imagine. Enjoy a firm and stable centerpiece thanks to its high-quality powder-coated steel legs. They feature a locking mechanism and rubber foot caps to prevent slipping. Setting up or taking down this table is a breeze, done in seconds. Its convenient foldable design ensures effortless storage and easy relocation wherever you need it. No assembly required. This table is ready to go right out of the box. Just unfold it, lock the legs for stability, and it's ready for use. What we like. This bar height table boasts a significantly thicker tabletop and a robust metal frame, ensuring exceptional durability and a high weight capacity. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to set up, store, and transport. If you frequently host events, need a reliable table for outdoor gatherings, or require a sturdy, no-fuss surface that can be put away quickly, this folding table is the perfect solution. What people say. Very sturdy and durable. Bought these a while back for my husband's outdoor restaurant and bar and they still hold up beautifully. None is broken or stripped and we use them daily and it's been months. I bought these for use at bar height tables on the porch. They are light but sturdy. I love how easy it is to fold them for storage. Love the high top tables, sturdy, easy to move and break down. Number 1. Glitzhome 3-piece adjustable swivel bar set. Introducing the Glitzhome 3-piece pub table and chair set. This versatile set is perfect for any space, offering both style and functionality for your home. Enjoy ultimate comfort with 2 height-adjustable and 360-degree swivel bar stools. Ergonomically designed, they provide a comfortable environment for conversations or work. Crafted from solid wood and high-quality steel, this set is built for durability. The PU leather stools offer a smooth, soft, and springy feel for long-lasting use. Protect your floors with the non-scratch design. Easily adjust the stool height using the convenient handle located just below the seat cushion. Assembly is a breeze. With included tools and easy-to-follow instructions, you can set up the stylish bar set in approximately 30 minutes. Its sleek, minimalist design seamlessly blends with various decor styles, making it ideal for your living room, dining room, kitchen, or office. We are confident in our product quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year guarantee and dedicated customer service. What we like. This pub table set offers exceptional comfort and versatility with its height-adjustable and 360-degree swivel bar stools. The ergonomic design and PU leather cushioning ensure a comfortable seating experience. If you're looking for a stylish and adaptable set for your kitchen island, home bar, or small bistro area, and value the ability to customize seating height and position, this set is an ideal choice. What people say. Stools are comfortable, good-looking and appear to be of good quality. Tables are nice and sturdy too. Sturdiness of the table and chairs are quite impressive. The table surface is actually larger than it appears, which I loved. Easy to assemble, no extra help needed, one-man job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.